Hi, my name is Barnee Lloyd and I'm the first Modus Innovation Manager at Formula E. So I've got a bit of background in electric vehicle technology. I started off at Tesla Motors working in California. From there I moved to Aston Martin, also looking at a few battery technology projects as well. And I found out about the Innovation Manager Challenge with Modus, and it would look like a really exciting opportunity to get involved with Formula E, which are at the forefront of motorsport in the electric vehicle sector at the moment.
Modus and Formula E work together to provide a young engineer a chance to join Formula E and help us innovate in some of the areas that Formula E is driving into. Formula E is all about innovation, new ways of doing things in motorsports. Getting 2,000 CVs to an application, it made it really hard to select the one engineer that was the right fit for us. Everyone who made the final cut there was an exceptional personality, with exceptional knowledge.
Yeah, so there were 2,000 applicants, so obviously I'm really excited to be the #1 applicant from all of those people. Really privileged. Being involved with Formula E for the past 6 months has been really interesting. I've got to get involved with a lot of different projects over that period, ranging from everything how we can manage the entire event, the assembly of the event, and how it progresses from being essentially just a street in a city to becoming an actual event itself. One of the main areas I've jumped into has been data analytics, and we're trying to use that to improve the way the races are run in future. What we saw in Mexico, which was a very tight finish, whether or not the drivers are going to run out of battery. That's what we want to see. We want to push the vehicles to their limits, and we're trying to look at the data to try and understand how do the drivers drive, are they driving in the way that we expect them to drive when we design the race, and how can we adjust it in a way that we will get the most out of every single battery pack and make it so it's a super tight finish. Obviously, having the opportunity to travel around the world with Formula E is an incredible one. I would love to stay with them. They're a great bunch of guys, super motivated, super passionate about getting the motorsport through. And I think with this team that they have, Formula E is definitely going to be a big thing in the future.